Hey guys, Tony here. I just wanted to update you guys on ADA or Cardano. A couple videos back, I did say that ADA was due for a breakout, just strictly on TA. Fundamentals 100%. It basically competes with Ethereum. That's the easiest way that I can say about ADA or Cardano. I do think Cardano is going to actually run very, very high, can potentially hit $2 very soon. But as far as the market cap of 50 billion, I definitely think it can compete, at least get close to Ethereum levels of market cap, if not maybe surpass it, or not necessarily surpass it. I do think Ethereum is probably king right now. I do like Ethereum a lot more than I like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is essentially just basically gold, right? Like Bitcoin, no one's gonna use that shit as a currency. Like, who cares? I think Ethereum is gonna be crazy. But as far as, like, you guys already know that my strategy is, if there's a certain coin that I really, really like, obviously I'll buy it. Like Ethereum, for example, I have a very little Ethereum, but its competitor directly is actually ADA or Cardano. And it's essentially the same, almost the same thing as Ethereum. There's obviously different aspects of it, but I really just wanted to come on here because I did a couple videos back. I did talk about ADA or Cardano, and I was like, you know what? It does look like it's about due for a breakout. So as of right now, I'm currently holding 43.95 Cardano, and in my account, on my balance on this is almost $8,000. So I'm half expecting ADA to go close to $2, maybe, or not really $2, more like 195, 199, and then tank a little bit, possibly go down to these highs of like 140, and then rebound and probably go back up higher. I do not think that ADA is going to go down. I do think that it has a lot of support just based off of projects. It's on Coinbase, and I do think that it has a lot of room to still potentially go a lot higher than a lot of the previous a lot of the cryptocurrencies currently, just because I really do think that as far as Cardano as a project, as a crypto project in itself, there's a lot of possibilities that it can actually go into, government, voting systems, the blockchain tech, all that stuff. So I do think Cardano is definitely set up to be very, very, very successful in the future. But yeah, I will be doing another TA on Cardano, basically saying, kind of gauging where the next forecast is of what price. But I do think it's not, I don't know if it's going to hit $2, but I do think it's well on its way towards that side. So I'll see you guys later.